Sabi ko sa kanya sa text messages, baka mas maganda sana kung sa house na lang kung available. Chinek niya, the house is not available because at that time, binabawal na because of physical distancing. Okay, so sabi niya, by text messages again, pwede ho ba kayo sa Zoom? Sabi ko, okay lang sa akin yan. Did you know that the only condition I ask of him is that dapat meron na sanang ibang mga reporters din sa ibang networks because I recall that some of them also asked for an interview and I was not able to comply. Sabi naman niya, okay po, so we will schedule a Zoom conference by tomorrow.